Welcome to the Money Matters channel, where we provide practical tips and advice on managing your personal finances. Today, we're going to talk about debt and give you a step-by-step guide on how to pay it off. Step 1. Know your debt. The first step in paying off debt is to know exactly how much you owe. Make a list of all your debts, including the amount owed, interest rate, and minimum payment. This will give you a clear picture of your debt and help you prioritize which debts to pay off first. Step 2. Create a budget. Next, create a budget that includes a debt repayment plan. Determine how much you can realistically afford to pay each month towards your debt and allocate your funds accordingly. Be sure to stick to your budget and make your debt payments a priority. Step 3. Prioritize high-interest debt. When paying off debt, it's important to prioritize high-interest debt first. This means focusing on debts with the highest interest rates, such as credit card debt. By paying off high-interest debt first, you'll save money in the long run by reducing the amount of interest you'll pay over time. Step 4. Consider debt consolidation. If you have multiple high-interest debts, consider consolidating your debt into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This can help you save money on interest and make it easier to manage your debt payments. However, be sure to do your research and compare loan offers before choosing a debt consolidation option. Step 5. Find ways to increase your income. In addition to cutting expenses, finding ways to increase your income can also help you pay off debt faster. Consider taking on a part-time job or freelance work, selling unwanted items, or asking for a raise at your current job. Every little bit helps and can make a big difference in paying off your debt. Step 6. Stay motivated. Finally, it's important to stay motivated when paying off debt. Set realistic goals and celebrate your progress along the way. Find support from family and friends, and remember why you're working hard to pay off your debt, to achieve financial freedom and security. Paying off debt can seem overwhelming, but with these 6 steps from the Money Matters channel, you can create a plan to pay off your debt and achieve financial freedom. Remember to know your debt, create a budget, prioritize high-interest debt, consider debt consolidation, find ways to increase your income, and stay motivated along the way.